I'm David Arivi.
And I'm David Malach, and we're from Kensho, and both work there as software
Yeah.
engineers.
Our company builds ML-based tools for financial institutions, either mostly our parent company, S&P Global, but also other customers.
So that's low-level ML tooling as well as integrations with their suite of applications and their main desktop application, Capital IQ Pro.
It's a team that sort of spans a couple different sub-teams. So there's three of us on our team, but we work with other S&P teams that are also like 5 or 6 people. We primarily use PyCharm for almost all of our development.
And use PyCharm for application developments as well as all of database management and interaction tools.
Yeah, and like debugging, stuff like that.
One of the big pieces of our one of the applications we work on, there's a work with a massive database of and the best way to interact with it, and run a few SQL queries and do some data analysis of what documents we've seen and so on and so forth. Through that plugin, mainly that's how I've been using it on a day-to-day basis. As much as like that's like probably the feature I can't live without is just like that data view and being able to just run and see the results of some queries and like really quickly. So I think probably the debugger and like the being able to just run ad hoc code while stepping through like a project while it's running is probably, I think, the another differentiating feature for me. Like being able to see local variables at like in some random place in the running code, be able to run a complex expression and evaluate it and see as I'm walking through it is saves a ton of time debugging.
Yeah, I think for me, what I've started using a lot is the UI within PyCharm for running notebooks. I usually would use the Jupyter Notebook UI, but I'm really liking a lot of the functionality that you get out from the PyCharm one. So I've mostly switched to that recently.